Ever wonder why the Igbo funerals seem like such grand affairs? They're a fascinating mix of culture and, well, a lot more.
Oh, absolutely. This article by Kovich really dives into it. It's not just about tradition, it's about community, status, and navigating modern pressures.
Modern pressures, right? Some communities are trying to set minimum standards for funerals to keep costs down.
Right, but even with those rules, people still go all out for their loved ones, even if it means going into debt. It's a real testament to their commitment.
So it's like a balancing act. And how much say does the immediate family have? I imagine the wider community plays a role.
Oh, very much so. The community is involved, especially for titled members or priests. Sometimes decisions are even taken out of the immediate family's hands, for the sake of tradition.
That's intense. What about the timing? The article mentions something about deferring funeral rites.
Yeah, it's common to bury the person quickly, but the final funeral rites can be months or even years later. It's all about, balancing respect and financial readiness.
Wow. What about people who die outside Igbo land? Do they get brought back home?
Almost always. It's customary to be buried with their ancestors, regardless of the circumstances of death. There is a strong connection to the homeland, even in grief. It's fascinating how these traditions adapt, isn't it? Like incorporating church services and local music. It is about finding common ground.
Absolutely. It sounds like Igbo funerals are a complex blend of honoring the dead, community expectations, and modern realities. Thanks for sharing that.